Hi guys, welcome back to PassFab. Are you being locked out your PowerPoint because forgot PowerPoint password? Then, how to remove password from PowerPoint? Keep watching. To remove PowerPoint password, you should recover it first. Here's a PowerPoint password recovery tool, PassFab for PPT. Run it on your computer. Click Add to import your password protected PowerPoint. Choose one password attack method. Select dictionary attack if you have frequently used passwords. Select brute force with mask attack if you remember something about your password. Select brute force attack if you can't remember anything about the password. Click Start. A few moments later, you will get your password. Copy it. You can unlock your PowerPoint. Go to File. In Info tab, click Protect Presentation. In the drop-down menu, select Encrypt with Password. Delete the password and click OK to remove password. Save changes. You can open your PowerPoint directly next time.